Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are being safe and staying at home. Please take care of yourself. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys this makeup look which has no foundation and it's kind of fierce makeup look. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm using this L'Oreal Crystal Essence and I'm gonna be patting it all over my face and neck. Next, I'm using this SOLASAFE sunscreen. It's kind of silicone based sunscreen and I'm gonna be applying it on my face and neck. So I hope you all are being safe at home. Quarantine is very important right now. Please don't go out, you guys. Unnecessarily don't go out. Staying at home is the only choice we have right now, and it's very serious situation. Please understand, don't go out, you guys. And now I'm moving on with this concealer. So this concealer is pretty good match for me, so I like to apply it just like that without foundation. So applying it wherever it's needed and then making sure it's blended nicely. I'm taking time in blending, and whatever is left I'm gonna be applying it on my cheek area and on my forehead. And this concealer is very lightweight, so it's perfect for this summer. So once I've done blending the concealer, I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact to set the concealer. So I'm making sure the concealer is nicely blended with the compact, and I'm taking time in making my base look more natural and not heavy or cakey. So once that's done, I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with this fashion brow from Maybelline. I'm making sure my eyebrows are filled in the upward direction this time because I like it this way, my eyebrows to look more fierce. So I'm doing same thing, just filling upwards and just following my natural eyebrow shape, not going for that proper precise arch kind of eyebrow look. So yes, once I'm done filling my eyebrows using this brown kajal pencil, applying it on my upper lash line like this, not being precise, then using this smudger brush and I'm smudging the liner. So doing this, you get that blended effect and also looks more natural, as you can see it right here. I'm gonna be blending and then reapplying the eyeliner and then I'll blend. So I'm doing the same process until I like the way it's looking. Then using same kajal for my waterline and tight lining with the same kajal. So then flicking my liner at the outer corner and using same brush to smudge the liner. This way it looks more sultry and smoky, and you can do it with the black kajal as well, but brown kajal looks more nice, subtle and supple, which I really like for daily basis. So yeah, this is how it looks once I'm done blending the liner, and then using this mascara from L'Oreal and I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with the same mascara. Moving on, using this blush from Blue Heaven, I'm going to be applying it on my cheeks and making sure it's blended. Then using this highlighter from Wet n Wild and I'm going to be highlighting my highest points. So you can follow all the steps in the summer because the base is very light, so you can carry this makeup easily in the summer. And if you want to cut down any step, you can do it. It's up to you. Then to set my base, using this Wet n Wild setting spray, and for lips using this L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick. With that, I finished this no foundation fierce wearable makeup look. I really hope you guys liked it and it was helpful. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Please be safe, stay at home. Thank you all so much for watching.